Yo, what's up guys? Today we are making TikTok cinnamon rolls. I found this recipe on TikTok and I want to show you guys how to make them. So first we have some cinnamon rolls, heavy whipping cream, butter, cinnamon, and brown sugar. So let's get started on making the dish. First what you guys want to do is get some extra butter and just go onto your pan like this. You just want to go around like this. Well, real quick, before I do that, I'm just going to preheat my oven. Okay? 375 to 375, guys. 375. 375. And then, you just want to, butter up your pan like this. Really good, so it doesn't stick. Okay, now that we buttered it really good, what we're going to do is take our butter and go put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Real quick. 20 seconds. And now we just wait 20 seconds, guys. Just real quick. I'm going to throw this in the garbage. Okay. So we've got a few seconds left. And now I'm going to check on it and see if it's melted yet. So it's not fully melted, so I'm going to do it in 20 seconds. Wow. Now the reason why I'm not doing 30 seconds from the start is because it will splatter everywhere and explode. What will happen? So I'll do it for another 20 seconds. Real quick. Let this take out real quick. Okay, now we're good. That should be enough now, guys. Okay, perfect. Now it's all ready. Yeah. Oh, I think I cut my hand. Yeah, I cut my hand. Oof. Don't worry, I'm okay. I'm not bleeding though. So let's just mix this up like this and get all that butter. So you want to do it about 40 seconds, like how I just did. In total. Okay, so now that we've done this, we're just going to add our cinnamon, our brown sugar, and we're just going to mix that up. We're just going to mix that up, guys, like this. We're just going to mix that up really good and let that soak in like this. Now it should look like this, guys. It should look like this. It should look like this. It should look like this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to open our cinnamon rolls. So first, let me just find the, here. Well, I'm just going to put a little more butter because I think it's not good. Please. Okay, here we go. Oh, it opened. So let me just pull out the cinnamon rolls. Ooh. Oh, hold on. Perfect. I think the cinnamon can thing just opened, but it's okay. Now you don't want to cook the metal part. That's not really good. So I'm just going to take that off and put that back on. So you want to put it like this, facing up. Like this. Oh, wait, are they two? Oh, wait, they're two. Oops, I did not know that. So they're two, guys, is what I found out. This is one. This is another one. Oh, okay. Another one. Now, we're making about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have enough room for one more. I'm going to try to fill all of them. There's one more left, so we have enough room right there. Okay, so we have about, let's count after we put the last one. Now, don't worry if they're so close by each other. So the thing with cinnamon rolls is they can be like that and it will be okay. So now what you guys want to do now is get your heavy whipping cream, pour them all over the cinnamon rolls, and this is going to make them really creamy and stuff. It's going to taste really good, like this. So now that I put my heavy whipping cream, I'm just gonna like continue and like just gonna put some on the cinnamon rolls like this, because that's gonna make it to where it's creamy. Okay, now that we've done that, we're just gonna get our butter that we melted, and we're just gonna scoop one on each one like this. That's one. That's two. That's three. And that's four. That's five. That's six. That's seven. And that's 8. And now we could just okay. So now that you've done that, what you can do if you want to, which I'm going to do, is like mix the thing like this if I wanted to. But you don't have to if you don't want to. I just like doing it like this. This is not needed, but if you just want your heavy whipping cream to be a little bit cinnamon, you can do it like that. Then you can just scoop some like this on it, like that. And then all the cinnamon flavor and stuff is going to go on your cinnamon rolls. Okay, so now we're just going to wait till the 375 gets ready. Then we're going to place them in the oven. Okay guys, so the oven reached 375, and now we're just going to place them inside the oven. So I'm just going to open the oven. That's a bit hot, guys, so you want to watch out. Okay, perfect. And now we're just going to let them cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 25 minutes. And now we wait. We'll be back. Okay guys, so it's been about 25 minutes. Now we're going to take it out. And okay, we got reach. Oh, jeez. Oh. Whew. There we go. Okay. That was a bit scary when I first did that. Okay. So now that we have our cinnamon rolls here, we're just going to wait like 5 minutes for it to cool, and then we'll be back. Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so we've waited about 5 minutes and it's cool now. Now we're going to do half, about this size of a spoon. So we're just going to do like half for each one. And then we're just going to like spread it like this. Alright, do another one. There's going to be some tasty cinnamon rolls, guys. Okay. Now we're just going to mix it everywhere and around everywhere like this. Okay, and there you have it, guys. We have TikTok cinnamon rolls. Nice and tasty, and they're fresh out of the oven. Please like and smash the subscribe button. See you guys later. Bye.